Today I am going to discuss you an interesting problem that is based on the dynamic programming. It is actually the 8 queen problem. The name is 8 queen problem. Normally the queen here refer to the very popular game chess. As we all know that chess board is a game in which there is a 8 cross 8 size blocks on which we moves our queens and bishop or many of the keywords that are used in the game of the chess. The queen has a property that it can move in any direction, straight, backward, left, right, in any direction up to any steps. So, and this is one of the most important, uh, you may say that the important playing item in the game of chess. So the queen has the property, it's very important, and it can hit in any direction. So, and it can hit up to any blocks which are which are in, suppose there is a, some of you are not familiar with the game of the chess, then if the queen is placed in a block, then anything that is in front of it can be hit by the queen. So it is very important in game of chess. If you don't know the chess, then there is no problem. Even then you can understand it, that with the help of diagram, that in the game of chess there are 8 blocks. And suppose this is a queen, I am using it with a cross symbol. Cross is equals to queen. Then it can hit in either direction. This, 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 sorry, uh, this direction and this direction. So there are 8 possible directions in which a Q can hit. And in normally a game of chess, the both players have is played by the 2 players, and each player has a one queen. And so to save our pawn or bishop, we try to not place them in direct range of queen. And but in this if you just know that the queen can hit in either of 8 direction, and in 8 queen problem, you have to place 8 queens on a chessboard. In normal game, there are only 2 queens on the chessboard, but we assume a situation in which we have to place 8 queens on a chessboard so that no queen hit in direct range of another queen, so that each of the queen is safe. Here the safe means that it is not in the hitting range of any queens. Uh, so the solution, we want to find out the solution in which 8 queens are placed in on the chessboard in such a way that no queen hit each other. So somebody may feel it very difficult to place how it is possible. So as in case of dynamic programming, we divide our problem into smaller sub-problems. So to get the solution of this problem, 8 queen problem, what we shall do, we shall divide this problem into smaller sub-problems. Like 2 queens problem, we shall divide into the 4 queen problem, 4 queen problem into its segments, 2 queen problem. And if we get this 2 queen problem solution, then the 3 queen problem, 4 queen problem, so on. So if we get the solution of the smaller sub problem, then we can reuse this solution to get the problem of larger size. This is the basic concept of dynamic programming. Here I want to clear you that in dynamic programming and the divide and conquer approach, there are 2 differences. That in divide and conquer, each subproblem is treated independently. We do not use one problem solution into the other part. But in case of dynamic programming, we use solution of one subproblem to get the solution of the larger problem. So here, before solving 8-queen problem, we shall find out how the smaller problem like 2-queen problem can be solved. What will be the two-queen problem? Very simple. Two-queen problem is like placing two queens on a chessboard of size 2 cross 2. Here it is important to mention that in 8-queen problem we are placing 8 queens on 8 cross 8 chessboard size. In 2-queen problem we will try to place 2 queens on 2 cross 2 size board so that no queen hit each other. So first we shall start with the 2-queen problem. First of all, this is the 2 cross 2 chessboard, 2 cross 2 board. In it, if we place a queen here, then in first of all, in a row we can place only one queen, because if we try to place two queens in a single row, then definitely they will be in direct hit range of one another. So in that case, they will not be safe. So we can place only one queen in a row. Suppose we start with a situation in the first row, there are two possibilities. So either we can place first queen at this position or this position, right? Option 1 or 2. We can place one queen. After this, we have to place the second queen in the second row. We have to place the second queen in the second row. Now, if there are two options, if I mark them that 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, if suppose if I place it here, then it will be in direct range of this, and if I place that, so here no possibility, not possible. So there is, I am marking queen with the symbol circle. Okay, circle. So here I cannot place, here I cannot place, option cancel. Here I cannot place, here I cannot place. So for two queen problem, we cannot place the second queen in any position where it can be placed safely. So that two queen problem has no solution. So two queen problem has no solution. Then a question may arise in your mind: if we cannot solve a sub problem, then how can we solve a larger sub problem? But it is not so, because here the chessboard size is also increasing, and because of that it is possible to get the solution. Let's take an example of 3-queen problem where we can get a result solution. So after this I am showing you the 3-queen problem. 3-queen problem. In 3-queen problem, the chessboard will be of size 3 cross 3, right? And uh, 3 cross 3, right? In 3 cross 3 problem, the chessboard will be of size 3 cross 3, and for as in a single row we can place only a single queen. Suppose we are placing our first queen in the first row, then there are three possibilities: first, second, or third. In first row, there are three possible situations in which we can place our queen. In the first row, first column, 1 1 position, 1 2 position, or 1 3 position. After placing the first queen, we can place the second queen, in this case, second queen cannot be here, second queen cannot be placed here, second queen can be placed here, right? In this situation, we cannot place our second queen in any of these blocks because in all these positions, the queen will be in direct hit range. Similarly, here the queen cannot be placed in this block because this will be hit directly, but we can place our queen here, right? Now, in this situation, in the third row, where can we place this? If we place it here, then what will happen? It will be hit by this one. If we place it here, it will be hit by this one. So we cannot get a solution. Similarly, in this situation, we can place, this case has already been cancelled because we cannot place it at any place. Similarly, here we cannot place our queen in any this. If we place it here, it will be hit by this one. If we place it here, then it will be hit by this one. So in all these cases, no solution, and this has already terminated because, and this has no solution, and this case no solution, right? So for 3 queen problem, this cannot be solved also. So 3 queen problem has no solution. 3 queen problem has no solution. Okay. Now we move toward the 4 queen problem. I am drawing the blocks of a smaller size to get the more option. Here there will be 4 boards, right? Okay, here this is a 4, first queen can be placed here, can be placed here, here or here. For second, we can place it here. There are 2 options. So for the second there are 2 options. Sorry, for the second there are 2 options. That this one placed here and second one placed here, or second one placed here, right? We shall solve one each by one. So the third one cannot be placed here, cannot be placed here. So after this, all the option has been cancelled. So this is not available, this is not available. All these options are cancelled for third. Now here we cannot place it here, but we can place it here because this is not in direct range, this is not in direct range. After that, when we try to place the, so after this third, placing third, the option, this one cancel, this one cancel, this one cancel, and this one cancel. So there is no solution for this one. So no solution. Here in this case, the second queen can be placed here only. So when we will place second queen here, then the third queen cannot be placed here. Third queen can be placed here, right? After this, the fourth queen can be placed, cannot be placed here, but it can be placed here. But here in this situation, check out that if we place the queens in first row in second position like this position, this is safe, no indirect hit, this is safe, this is safe, and this is safe. So this is the solution. So this is the solution. Similarly, in this case, we can place our queen here. The third queen can be placed, cannot be placed here, cannot be placed here, cannot be placed, but can be placed here. And in fourth row, cannot be placed here, but we can place it here. So this is also solution. All safe, safe, right? And in last one, if we try to place first here, then it has two solutions. It can be placed here. I am marking the symbol like this, or it can be placed here. Okay. Now for the third one, we cannot place it here. We can place it here, right? And after that, but we cannot place, this has no solution because the third one cannot be placed anywhere. But in this case, we have no solution here, and similarly no solution. No solution. So there are two solutions, this one and these are the situation. So here we have find out that with for two queen problem we did not get any solution. For three queen problem we did not get any solution, but for four queen problem we have got the solution. So it is this approach is called the dynamic approach. The first rule is that in a single row we can place only a single queen, and we for each row we check that what is could be the possible situation in which at which we can place our queen so that it is not directly uh, hit by any queen. So in the second case, when we placed first queen at the this position, then this three position were in the hit range of this queen. So we placed our second queen at this position. After placing these two queen in the third row, we find out what is the situation in which a queen can be safely placed. So these two positions can be directly hit by this queen, and this position third position by this queen, and this is the only safe position. So we place this queen. In the last row, when we try to place a queen, these two positions are in direct range of this queen, and last one in this queen. But this position is not directly accessible by any queen. So there are two solutions. So there are two solutions for four queen problem. Okay. So similarly, we can solve this problem for 8 queen problem. As the number of the squares increases, it becomes very difficult to directly hit a questions and to get the solution. So we shall simply pick one queen at a time, and we shall play safely in a row by checking out that the previous queens are hitting it or not, and after that we keep on moving, and finally we will get the solution if there is anyone. So we shall solve the 8 queen problem solution. This has been asked many times in the examination, and this is the most common version, 8 queen problem, for which we shall try to find out. And now I shall rub this page and try to find out the solution. So this is the chessboard. So since there are various combinations, uh, in the chessboard, three, six, 7, and 8. Okay. Right. Here in the chessboard, we can safely place a queen here. Right. After placing this queen, the two positions are directly hit in the hit position, directly in the position where queen can attack. So there are 6 possible combination for second one. So I shall draw just 2 rows for simplifying the diagram. 3, 4, 5. All the possible, one for this position, first here and third one here. After this position, one, two, three, 7 and 8. Okay. 7, 8, first queen here, first queen here, and likewise I shall draw from this, and fourth position. So after placing this, I shall first check out solutions for one by one. I shall take one condition and sorry, I am taking that because this is the need a very large size chessboard. On the blackboard there is a limitation of the size, so we shall explore the one options up to the full extent until it give the solution or stop expanding. After that we shall start with the second one. So because of the limitation of the space and because of the large size of the chessboard, I shall take one example. So suppose when the second queen is placed here, now the position second queen is placed here, then the third queen can be placed only here. There are multiple solutions. Or next, the fourth solution is, suppose I am taking all the possible combinations and just I am drawing the row. Sorry, I am rubbing it. I am just, because there is a limitation of size. Okay. For this position, so I have placed one here, second here. After that, I am trying to solution for that. So after placing this queen, that for the third, I can place it here. After placing third, I can place fourth here. Okay, and after placing fourth one here, in the fifth, I can place here. Okay, 5 can be placed like this. For the sixth, there we cannot place any further because all the positions are in. We can place sixth one here because it is not directly. This is also a position which can be hit by this one. This is not. This can also be hit by another one. So we can place it here. Sixth one here. After placing sixth one, we can place another at here. This is position of hit. This can be hit by this one. We shall check one by one that this can be placed here, and finally 3, 3, 6, 7, and at last in the last, when we try to place our 8th queen, this is directly hit here, this is hit by, can be hit by this one, here it will be it can be hit by this position, here this can be hit directly, here this can be hit directly, here it can be hit this one, and here it will be hit by this one, and so 8th queen cannot be placed, so it is no solution. Okay, so we cannot place at the first queen after 3rd position. Similarly, if I place, I am using the same diagram, I am rubbing this one, so this option is cancelled. So after placing this at the 3rd position, after placing it at the 3rd position, the next safe position would be, these position are, this could be the position of the hit, and likewise we shall try for different combination. But this approach is very difficult, because if we try one position at a time, then there would be numerous possible options. So we shall divide it systematically and place all the options. This option has been terminated of placing this one. So if at the one level its position is terminated, when we shall stop at that, and after that we shall start with the position where the queen has been placed here. This can be placed here, or there are numerous possible options. So in this case, if we place this queen at this position, these options are still not covered. These options are blank. Okay. Then the 4th can be placed here. 5th can be placed. 5th can be placed in this row, not here, and can be placed here. 6th can be placed. This is directly hit. This is this position. This position can be placed here. Okay. No, this cannot be placed here. 6 can be placed here, and after that we shall find out that this position is the next, in the next row we can place the column at this position. Okay, because it is not directly accessible by anyone in the hit range of anything, and after that we shall find out that the last queen can be placed where. So it cannot be placed here. Okay, so it can be placed here. So here in this situation, you can check out that this one, nobody is hitting any of the other queen. So diagonally, they are not hitting each other, any of the queen. So this is the possible solution. So one solution. So this is the solution. After this, you shall try for the another option. This is the solution. One solution. Similarly, you shall try for different solution at different table. As the size of the increasing, and then you will find out that if I am placing each queen one by one and I am getting the possible safe conditions, then what is the advantage? Advantage is that here you are dividing the problem into sub-problem. Here you have divided the chessboard into a problem that you are dividing one queen in a one row at a safe position. Instead of placing directly 8 queen on the chessboard and checking out the safe condition, you are placing one queen at a time on the chessboard and you are checking out that it is safe or not. After satisfying that in a row a queen can be safely placed, you move further to find out that whether there are any possibilities for third queen or not. If a situation fail for an suppose kth queen, that it cannot be placed safely at any position, where do not move forward, and this is called a dynamic approach. And this yes, it is time consuming, but it give you a very systematic and all possible combinations of the 8 queen problem. So in this way you shall find out the multiple solution for the all the problems. Here, because of the limitation of the size, I cannot draw all the possible solutions, but in this way you shall find out all the possible combinations. For giving an idea about how many solutions are possible for that, there are multiple options for that, because first queen can be placed at 8 position, second queen can be placed at 6 position. After that, the combination, there are 8 options, 8 into 6. For first queen there are 8 options, for second there are 8 cross 6. It means not 8 cross 6, because some 8 cross 6 option, right, and there the option will increase, but many of the option will terminate when we cannot place a queen safely in a row, so that the further combination with that queen will be automatically got cancelled. So you start placing one queen with one. After placing one queen, two position will be occupied by, will be in the direct hit range of this queen, so there would be 6 possibilities. You shall check all the 6 possibility for the second position. After checking out all the 6 possibility, you shall find out correspondingly next possibility for the third queen, and likewise it will be a large problem. What then you will in the examination you will finally draw a solution for that. For example, here I have drawn the solution for that. For here you can check that all these queens are safe. All these queens are safe. I am drawing it in a larger size so that you can easily got the idea. Four, five, six. I am just drawing the same figure in larger size. Here, this is in the 4th position. This one is in the 2nd position. This in the 5th, 3rd to 5th, and this one in 7th position, 3 to 6, 7th position, 7th position. No, 7th position is not safe. So suppose I place it at here, 7th position. Okay. After that, I place the next one in the. This is not safe. This is not safe. Not safe. Not safe. This one is safe position. Okay. After that, I place this not safe. This safe. 6. Only 2 possible solution. So I can place it in here. Okay. Since 3, 3, 6 and 7, and after placing it here, in this case I have said that this is not solution, this is not safe. Sorry that in the diagram this is not safe situation, this is not the possible solution. So we shall try to keep on finding the possibility for this position. So if we place not here, and we shall place this queen at this, we cannot place it here because there is not solution, so we shall place this queen at this position. Okay. After placing this queen at this position, in the 4th row we can place the queen at the position. We cannot place it here, not here, we can place it here, right? After placing it here, we cannot place it. The next queen in this row cannot be placed here, cannot be placed here, we can not place it here, and we can place it here, right? We cannot place it here also. This will be hit diagonally. This is not the these are not the case. So this will also not have a solution. So we shall backtrack. This option is also cancelled. So we shall try for the next solution here. In this situation, we shall find out that this can be placed here. Okay, after placing this, we shall place the queen in this. Cannot be placed here. This position not can be placed here safely, and in the next both kinds of options, so we cannot place anywhere. We can be placed here. This can be placed here. Okay, after placing it here, we shall find out the next position. Yeah, three. This can be placed here, right? After placing it here, no possible. So, in the last row, the position we can directly eliminate, because in direct hit they are positioned in a wide space, so we can place it here, but this is in direct hit, so there is no solution here also, because no solution, so we shall cancel that option also. After that, we shall place this row at this position, and finally at this position when we place this one, now that we can place, cannot place here, this can be placed here again. After this position, the next can be placed here. It will know here. It can be placed here. Not cannot be placed here. It cannot be placed here. 3 position, 4 position, 5 position, 6 position, 7 position. It were no options. So we shall find out one by one. Second, and we shall place this at position, and we shall place it like this, and after placing it at position number 5, we shall check the combination. We shall move further. After placing it here, we shall place it in the third row here, in fourth position, fifth, sixth. We place it here, and after placing it here, after this again, this cannot be here, this can be here, but can't be here. After placing this, over here, cancel over here. This position be here, and after placing it in the last row, 4 row cancel, 3 row cancel. Only possible combination is last one. So in the last row, this cannot be placed, so this is not also solution. So we shall again check for the next combination. Okay, like this we shall keep on trying, and after placing it here, we keep on moving. This is a little bit time consuming, but we shall move like this, and after this this can be placed here. After this fourth, you can place it and not place it. You can place it here. Okay, after placing it in the fifth position, 6, 7, 8 here. After this, maybe 1, 2. Finally, at this position, so this is not the possible solution. I am just drawing the solution for that. एक सेकंड आप इसको पॉज कर दो. So here this is very time consuming. एक सेकंड. एक सेकंड स्टॉप कर दो अपना. स्टॉप कर दो आप लोग. पी से पॉज हो गया ना. पॉज हो गया. पी से पॉज हो गया ना? पॉज, स्टॉप, स्टॉप हो चुका है, स्टॉप है रिकॉर्डिंग। एक सेकंड में आ रहा हूँ, बस 1 मिनट आ रहा हूँ, एक इसका सॉल्यूशन बना करके खिला रहा हूँ। 1 मिनट आ रहा हूँ, बस मैं ऐसे भी कंटिन्यू रखना। स्टॉप है अभी, मैं आऊँ कंटिन्यू कर, खत्म नहीं हुआ है, स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग है अभी, स्टॉप है वो, पी कर दिया, स्टॉप। हाँ चल रहा है। इसको ठीक, अब करूँ स्टार्ट? अब हो गया स्टार्ट? Okay, sorry. Asha, here in this program, it is very difficult to draw the complete question on this board because it need a 8 cross 8 chessboard. So it was very time consuming and it was taking a lot of time to check all the possible combination. So I have directly drawn the solution for this problem because as I've told you, there are so many solutions. While I was drawing one by one, it was not possible to check all the possible combination here in a fixed time. So I have directly drawn the solution that we will get because it in this on this board it will take a huge a lot of time to draw all the figure and draw all the diagram. But this is the approach with help of which we shall draw the diagram and finally we shall show the solution. If in the exam this questions comes, then you shall directly draw the figure and after explaining one or two diagram, you shall directly give this solution with help because it will in the exam also it will be very time consuming to draw all the possible combination. So instead of drawing all the combination, you will explain the simple concept on the one 2 pin problem, 4 pin problem, and after that you shall you should give the final solution for the 8 pin problem because the it is very lengthy questions. So in this situation, you can check out that all the queens are in a safe position. So these are the particular solution that you should remember at the time during the time because you by checking you cannot solve it in the fixed amount of time. So here no queen is hitting any of the other queen. You can also see that in each row there is a each column there is a single queen and no queens are in a single column or no not more than one queen in a single row and they are not directly. So this is the possible. There are many other solutions also. So this is all about the 8 pin problem. So stop कर दीजिए, हाँ stop कर दीजिए.